What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I am doing my absolute favorite video to do on my channel. I'm doing a bougie on a budget at Walmart winter edition. So the last time I did this was back in September. I did a fall edition and you guys absolutely loved it. So I will be leaving all of my bougie on a budgets I've done linked down below. Walmart, as you guys know, is my absolute favorite store to shop at. I think it's my absolute favorite because it's so overlooked. People walk right by the clothing section at Walmart when they really shouldn't. You can find some amazing things. So I started this series on my channel to show you guys that you can look super cute on a budget and that you can look super cute shopping at Walmart. If you guys want to know my tips for shopping at Walmart and how I find the cutest stuff, then you can go ahead and watch my previous videos, because in those videos I talk all about my tips. But at this point, I don't want to sound like a broken record, so I think it's time to head over to Walmart. I actually went last night because my favorite time to shop at Walmart is in the early morning or late at night. Don't try shopping there during like the middle of the day or on the weekend. It is absolutely crazy. So I always go either early in the morning or at night, and I find it so peaceful and so relaxing. It's like my therapy. So let's head over to Walmart and see what we can find. I have my size. I am looking for pants. They don't normally have my size, but I found a few good things. I like that these have exposed buttons. These are a size 6, but they look like they'll fit me. Oh, is that a 4? I'm looking for bags, and they have some really cute clutches. Like, this is super cute. Now I'm in the workout section. I am looking for some cute workout clothes. This is okay, but I'm not in love with it. They do have some good workout clothes here. I'm looking at the shoes, and how cute are those boots. They also have them in black. Okay, this is in the little boys section. If they had this in like a large or extra large, I would totally get it. Okay, so I know I say this in every single bougie on a budget that I do, but this is actually my favorite Walmart haul that I've ever done. This is the most I've ever spent at Walmart. I'm a little bit ashamed at how much I actually spent at Walmart, but they had so many cute things that I could not pass up. I know shopping online at Walmart is not the easiest, so down below I will be leaving the SKUs to everything. Going into Walmart, it can be a little bit discouraging. Last night I went in there and I kind of took a brief peek around, and I was like, well, there's absolutely nothing here. So I was like, I'm just not gonna do a bougie on a budget, because if there's not stuff I absolutely love, I'm not just gonna show you things to show you things. But then I found one thing, and that kind of motivated me, and then I found another, and I found another, and I found another, and $700 later, I'm sitting here with a Walmart haul. So I know it can be a little bit overwhelming, but that's why I'm here, to show you guys what you need, to show you guys what's really worth it, and to show you guys that there is super cute things that a lot of people are missing out on. Normally I start with clothes, but I want to start with shoes because that's where I was the luckiest. So in my last bougie on a budget, I showed you guys these UGG dupes. They were the cutest. I love these slippers, and just when you thought it wasn't possible to get any better, it does. You guys aren't ready. Look what I found. These are a perfect dupe for the UGG slippers that everyone and their mother has, except they are a small fraction of the price. They are $25 Canadian compared to, I don't even know how much UGGs are, like over $100. They have a memory foam bottom. They are so flipping comfortable, you guys. I was wearing them all night long. What I like about these is that they're not just like a slipper on the bottom. They actually have a hard part. So if you wanted to get these to be like your outdoor slippers, if you don't have to run to the car, they have small, medium, large. So small is 5 to 6. I tried them on in the store and I was a little bit conflicted on which size to get. So I got these in a 5 or 6 or a size small, and then they also had them in black. So I got them in black in a size medium. So the medium is a 7-8. After wearing these inside, these fit perfectly. They don't feel cheap at all, and they're super comfortable. So everyone, run out to Walmart, get yourself a pair of these slippers. I promise you, you will not regret it. As another little UGG dupe, I got these boots, and I got these boots simply because I wanted a pair of boots that if I have to run to the car, I can throw them on. These were $18. I know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of them, especially recently. I've been dressing for comfort, but I also knew I wasn't gonna wear them enough to justify going out and buying another full pair of UGGs, so those are perfect. Okay, so this is just a warning. You are probably going to freak out. You might even faint when I show you guys this next pair of boots, because when I saw them, I was like, are you sure I'm in Walmart? Because they are so cute. Look at these. Oh, so they are obviously this delicious kind of camel. The sole of the boot makes it look so expensive. I don't know why. It looks perfect. It looks perfect, okay? And then look at this detail. The tongue of the boot is shearling, so you have this delicious suede camel with a cream shearling tongue. Now I want you to guess how much you think these were. Guess? Did you guess? $25. $25. Sometimes boots from Walmart can look a little bit cheap. The shape of them, the sole of them, the material of them, they can look a little bit cheap. These don't look cheap at all. All right, so the next pair of boots I got are a little bit fancier. They are knee-length snake print boots. These are perfect for the holiday season. Not only do they have them in snake print, but they also have them in black and like classic colors. Snake print, like it just looks and feels so luxurious. And these were $29. Okay, and here are the boots. I threw it on with just a black skirt from Zara, a top from Nasty Gal, and then just some boots. You guys, these boots are so comfortable. I love below the knee boots with skirts. I just think it's so cute. So here's a close-up of them. A gray toned snake skin. And if you want to look extra fancy, you can throw on a little long coat. For the winter time, this is like my favorite way to dress up an outfit. Even if your outfit is like super simple, throwing on a long coat and a pair of boots makes you look like you have the best style in the world. I don't care what anyone says. It's a classic outfit and it's a staple. And when you don't know what to wear, you throw this on. Okay, so now on to kind of accessories. I only have two things to show you, but they are good. First is this hat. They have it in a few colors. It is from the brand Hot Paws, but it has a pom-pom looking thing at the top. It's a knit hat, but it has matching mittens. Are you kidding? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. The color is really good. Obviously, it doesn't really match what I'm wearing. They're kind of clashing, but this is the cutest baby pink hat and mitten set. Okay, so now moving on to winter coats. I was honestly so surprised at all of the different options that Walmart had. A lot of the sizes were gone. A lot of the jackets were sold out because obviously it's like the middle of winter, especially where I live. It's already very cold. Now remember this jacket that I got from Aritzia during their sale? This one where I was like, it's so cute, midi kind of length with like the horizontal threading in it. Well, this is basically the exact same jacket as the Aritzia one that I got in this delicious forest green color. It is so pretty. It's like a really dark forest green. I actually got a medium. I typically like my jackets a little bit bigger so I can wear sweaters and stuff underneath without feeling like. Tip on how to make a Walmart jacket look expensive. Typically, the dead giveaway is this fur. I'm not a huge fan of fur on winter jackets anyways, but this just looks cheap. This is gonna be the dead giveaway that your jacket is from Walmart. Not that there's anything wrong with a Walmart jacket, but we're trying to look bougie here. So we're gonna take this off. We don't need this fur in our life. It looks so much better. You can tell me this is from Aritzia and I'd flip and believe you. I swear you guys, this jacket looks so good. It looks just like the Aritzia jacket. I'm not even kidding. If you're in the market for a new winter coat, I highly recommend checking Walmart because they have really good jackets for a fraction of the price. They also have this jacket in black and gray. Okay, so now moving on to clothes. I'm gonna start with the thing that I found first, the thing that really got me excited about this video. It is these suede kind of camel-y leggings. Nude kind of camel-y leggings are super in right now, and of course Walmart came through. I got a size small. They feel like they're gonna be super stretchy and super comfortable. These leggings fit so well and they are so beyond comfortable. Everyone run to your Walmart and get a pair. They actually go a little bit longer. I tuck them underneath just to be ankle length on me. I just have it paired with a sweater from Zara. So I dressed it up with some camel colored boots. I love how they're almost the exact same, but the boots are a little bit darker to create contrast. You could also throw a flannel on top and get a more casual look. Okay, the next thing I picked up are these leather kind of leggings. What I liked about these is that they didn't feel cheap. Sometimes if you get more affordable leather leggings, they feel very cheap, very stretchy, very thin, but these didn't feel like that. Okay, so these are the leather pants. They fit so well. I love the little pocket details on them. I think it adds a lot to them. I have it paired with an H&M sweater and then some Zara booties. Finally, I was able to get my hands on a pair of jeans in my size. I'm not sure why they're literally always sold out, but I ended up getting a pair of jeans. They're like a cropped skinny jean. I got them in a size 4. These feel like they're going to be super comfortable, and I love that they have exposed buttons. You know what? These jeans actually fit really well. I think I'm going to go back and grab a size 2 if they have. I got these in a size 4 and they're too big around my waist, but they're super comfortable. They go to a really good length, and overall I really like them. Definitely go check these out. This is what the tag looks like. One of you guys DM'd me saying that Walmart had velour tracksuits. I was not able to get my hands on them, but I know they exist because my best friend Nolan got them. But what I did find were these super comfortable baby blue kind of sweatpants. These are different than anything I have. They are like super thin, super breathable and airy pants. They just felt so comfortable. Like, go to your Walmart and just touch it because it's so soft. I'm not kidding. The comfiest pants I've ever put on. Please let me know if you see a matching top when you go to Walmart, because that would be like the comfiest thing I could ever imagine. Okay, and finally I have concluded my flannel collection because I picked one up in this beautiful forest green kind of color. I love the combination of this green flannel on top of an all black look. These black sweatpants are from Miss Pap. They're my favorite sweatpants after Aritzia. They're more affordable. And then this little racer tank top is from Aritzia, but this little flannel, so cute. I love the color of it. As you guys know, we shop in all sections. So moving on to the kids section, the first thing I found was this really super cute, super soft teddy kind of sweater. This looks mini. I got a size medium. Ideally I would have gotten a large or extra large, but they didn't have any in stock, and I still wanted to get it to show you guys. The next thing I'm going to show you from the little girl section is a New Year's Eve dress. I wanted to get it to show you how you can really dress up an outfit and make it work for you, even if it is from the little kid section. It is this gold sequin kind of dress. Look how pretty that is. If you were celebrating for New Year's, this would be so flipping cute. It has reversible sequins, so black and gold. I love black and gold for New Year's. So this was a size 16 from the little girl section. It was 20 bucks, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it more adulty. Imagine you're at a New Year's Eve party and someone's like, oh, where did you get your dress? And you're like, the Walmart kids section. Okay, this is exactly how I thought it would be. It looks so flipping cute. Like I always say, I'm not the biggest fan of Gucci belts anymore, but it's the only black belt I have. I have a matching black bag, so it's kind of like a whole look. I threw on some black strappy heels, and we have a whole New Year's Eve outfit that I'm honestly very impressed with. Okay, so moving on to the men's section. The men's section is so good. Do not overlook the men's section. The first thing I got is this zip up sweater right here. I love zip up hoodies. And this one, if you guys remember my last Bougie on a Budget, I was on a hunt for a dupe for the Aritzia one. And I think this is honestly the best dupe I've come across so far. It's a thick material. It is not like a cheap feeling material at all. Like, it feels very nice. I got a size medium and I just absolutely love this. I personally like wearing these sweaters just thrown on over a t-shirt, kind of maybe off the shoulder, so it looks a little bit better, a little bit less slouchy. Then the last thing I got from the men's section is this right here. This is a camel kind of half zip sweater with a pocket. So I got this, I visioned it in my head to wear with biker shorts. I know I can't wear biker shorts right now, but even if I just like threw this on with leggings to lounge around in, this is so cute, and the color is perfect, and it is in like a really nice teddy kind of material. So I got this in a size medium. I would have liked a size small, but they didn't have, so I got a medium. Look how pretty the color of this is. This next outfit is so flippin' comfortable. I know I said it a million times before, but this sweater, every single person needs. Ooh, you could cinch it in. Quickly, I just have it paired with the Walmart leather leggings, and then I have some chunky boots on, which are so popular right now from Misguided. I will leave a few options down below for you guys, but I'm interested to see what this does. Are you kidding? Are you flipping kidding? Are you kidding? Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's better than I even thought. You could turn it into like this. You guys know I had to throw this on with sweatpants. This is the best discovery of 2020. You know what I just realized? I completely forgot that Skims released this right here, which is almost exactly the same, except this has black outlining. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for my Walmart Bougie on a Budget winter edition. I think the real star of the show was the slippers and the shoes. I simply cannot get over them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every single week. I want to know what videos you want to see from me in the new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you guys back here next time.